Okay guys, let's go inside. Makita nyo kung ano yung laman sa loob. Let's go! Gusto ko lang umikot para makita nyo yung lugar. Ayan. Ito yung papasukan namin. Ayan. Ayan. Ito yung napakataas. Ayan. Okay. Let's get inside. Oh. Ano yun? Nakakalula. Parang, ayun o. Ayun na siya.
Oh, nakakalula.
First window. Oh my goodness. Ang aking puso. Tingnan niyo. Oh. Grabe. Sa first window, walang tayo. Second window. Ayan o. Ano yung tibok ng puso ko. Ay. Grabe. Ilang hagdan to?
200 plus.
Tingnan niyo. Ito yung aming van. Talaga naman. Ayan. Kita na ng konti. Labas. Wala pa sa kalagitnaan pa lang tayo. Ayan guys, oh. Lalim. Pinagpawisan na ako. What the heck? Ilang minuto ba itong inaakyat? Dalawa pa ba? Kita niyo guys. Tapos sa baba, oh. Wow. Ayan. Nakikita na. Isa na lang. Dalawa pa. Ayan na. Titingnan mo yan sa baba. Talaga naman. Ang good exercise.
Isa na lang. Isa na lang.
Look at that. 5 minutes. Good job. Last?
Go ahead. Ready?
Dito na tayo.
Oh. Still young.
Yes. Yes.
Good exercise.
Yeah. For sure. As many times as I'm in a house, nobody runs. Right. There's no
Let
way.
me.
I don't think I've ever seen
Sige.
someone else.
Akit ka. Go.
We'll go slowly. We'll wait at the next one.
Sa wakas.
Hello.
Look at that. It's more fun to climb. Ayan guys. Look at the view. Galing kami doon kanina doon. Doon. Grabe. 7 minutes. Naglakad. Yun ang yun sa Marna. Thank you, Jesus. Ganda oh. Oh, beautiful.
Dad, we should go over there.
You need pictures?
Go on the boat.
I will take a picture for both.
Please.
With yours or mine?
Would you know the beach? No.
Tagala. We'll go down that side. Right?
Okay, okay.
Please.
Oh, against the light. Oh, excuse me ni. Abante ka. It's, if it is against the light, the face is dark.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, it's beautiful. Hmm?
Thank you.
I think.
Oh, yeah, okay.
Hold on, I need to be careful. Oh. Oh. Okay.
Thank you.
Careful of your phone. Come, halika na.
Do y'all want a picture?
I,
One picture? No, it's okay.
we're good. Thank you. We have a selfie stick.
Oh,
Thank
okay.
you. Tignan nyo, ganda-ganda talaga. Oh. Hi! Yan ang Daytona. That's the Daytona Beach. And that area is the New Smyrna Beach Airport. And that is Jubel. Hi, Jubel!
Hello. Hello.
Hello, Jubel!
Kakalula.
Dito ka sa kabila.
Nakakalula.
Kasi ano eh, parang tagilid yung tower eh.
Oh.
Okay. Look at me, Jubel. Oo nga pala. Ano to video? What the heck?
It's okay.
So guys, thank you for watching. Nakita niyo yung pinakamagandang view. Then ayun yung parking namin, oh. Sa baba.